Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are installing a condenser for a walk-in cooler. And it's raining outside, so we have a tent here. But right behind me, we got the cooler. Let me show you the old one that was in this place here. So the old one was here, and the old one now is down there. That one there's the old one, had a bad compressor, went out. So here is the new one, right in here, for the walk-in cooler. We're gonna set it there. Here's our power. You see it right here. There are my copper lines. One, there's the other one. And we'll get it done. So rain or shine, we're here 24/7. And call if your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay. Walk-in coolers, freezers, ice machines, 24/7. Okay. See you guys in the next video. All right. Bye-bye.